Type of shit you do when you like somebody.
My baby. So fine.
It's hard to be fine. I said it's hard to be fine when you got somebody on your back.
Still fine.
Come on.
You struggling, babe. I told you. Wait.
You do that?
Yeah. That look good to you.
I don't like white girls.
My baby. So fine.
Type of shit you do when you like somebody.
My baby. So fine.
It's hard to be fine. I said it's hard to be fine when you got somebody on your back.
Still fine.
Come on.
You struggling, babe. I told you. Wait.
Hi there you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So the internet is currently going crazy right now after Solange Knowles' son, Jules, of course, who is Beyonce's nephew, was spotted getting very close to reality TV star Tommy Lee. You guys, and people cannot stop talking about the age gap. Now here's what's shocking. Jules is only 21 years old, while Tommy Lee is 41 years old, and that's a 20-year age difference. And social media is completely divided. Videos started going viral showing the two laughing, flirting, and even looking very affectionate with each other. In one clip, Tommy Lee is seen riding on his back and calling him baby, which immediately sparked dating rumors online, and people are pointing out something else. Tommy Lee is actually older than Jules' own mother, Solange. That's what has the internet shocked right now. While some people are saying this, if this was an older man dating a younger woman, nobody would probably have cared, while others are saying this is weird. He's basically just a kid compared to her. Now, at this point, neither yours or Tommy Lee has officially confirmed that they are dating, but the chemistry in those videos have fans definitely convinced that there's something definitely going on. And of course, this involves the Knowles family, the nephew of Beyonce. The story is blowing up even more, and there are more videos circulating of them being more affectionate with each other in public, and it seems like it could be true. What do you think about this, guys? Is this just a friendship, or is this actually a new controversial celebrity couple? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Hit the subscribe button and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.